Guys, Phoenix Astronomy here. Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to do afocal astrophotography, which basically means attaching your phone to your eyepiece. Now there are two ways to do that, with a suction mount and a normal phone adapter. I would advise you to throw away this or repurpose this because this is not up to the mark and basically useless. You can buy adapter like this cheap, 10 bucks. This is pretty good quality and will work for your first pictures of the Orion Nebula and other deep sky objects. Now simply clamp your eyepiece to the adapter with using this fork. That it has a fork, you can just clamp it like that, and you have to attach your phone right over here. And also you have to align your mobile phone with the eyepiece or it won't work. After you have aligned your eyepiece to your phone, we are going to be doing lunar astrophotography, planetary astrophotography and deep sky astrophotography. So as you can see, this is the moon from the focal astrophotography that I'm using. It has pretty good detail for a mobile phone. You can adjust the ISO to, if you want more details you can reduce the amount of ISO. Don't mind me zooming in. If you want to look at like more moon like, you can increase the ISO, and basically that's it. If you want a better and a higher quality detailed image, you can record a video up to 1 minute and then stack it later using Registax or Serial by converting them into frames. Now I'm just going to adjust the ISO. As you can see, as the detail gets lower and higher. And this is the Jupiter from afocal astrophotography. Now it is mostly required that you use the lowest ISO to get even some detail or that bands. As you increase the ISO, those bands gets washed away and you can see its moons but not the details on Jupiter. You can also do the same thing with the moon for more detail.